Hey guys, to install FileLink directly onto your Fire device, go ahead and go to Settings, go to Device, scroll to Developer Options, and then make sure you turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Okay guys, then go back home and on the little magnifying glass, search for Downloader. For this orange application, once you search for Downloader, you want to go ahead and click Download. Okay? When you open up Downloader for the first time, you want to scroll down to Settings, and you want to make sure that Enable JavaScript is on. By default, it will be off. So go ahead and click Yes. Then you want to go back up to Home, and here you want to type http:// get dot file linked .com, just like that. Get filelink.com and then select go. What that's gonna do, it's gonna download FileLink directly onto your device. Once that FileLink is installed on your device, you want to go ahead and open it, and that's when you select okay. So the app that we want to look at today, it's been updated. It's all the way at the bottom under Live TV, and the name is Exodus Live 18.3. If you notice right here, it says October 15th. So I just updated a couple minutes ago. So let's go ahead and download that one. Okay, let's go ahead and click Exodus Live. Let's go ahead and install now. Wait a couple seconds for it to install. Okay, now let's go ahead and hit open. Allow. As you can see, this one works very well, and it does work very well on Fire Stick. Okay guys, do not show this again. Let's click OK. So let's jump into the news section. Okay, here's the news channels. I'll click on one really quick so you guys can see the quality. The quality is very HD. Okay, let's go ahead and click OK. Okay, let's get out of there. Guys, all these channels work. USA Local. Sorry for blurring all these channels out, but you know, due to copyright infringement, I have to blur them out. But as you can see, the channels are working fine. Okay, guys. So, religious, music, information, movies. You have movies in this one. You have USA, Canada, entertainment, Caribbean, health, favorite, fitness, and member request. If you guys see up here, membership expires 999 days. Guys, download it. Leave your comments down in the description and let me know what you think. 18.3, it's the ad-free version. 999 days for you guys to enjoy. Download it. Let me know, guys. Have a great day.